Chapter 7. Family Members in Spanish. Listen to the Spanish for father.
Padre. 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 Padre.
Please repeat.
Padre.
Let's hear an example sentence.
Este es mi padre. Este es mi padre.
This is my father.
Este es mi padre.
Now, listen to the Spanish for mother.
Madre. 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 Madre.
Please repeat.
Madre.
Let's hear an example sentence.
Mi padre y mi madre. Mi padre y mi madre.
My father and my mother.
Mi padre y mi madre.
Now, listen to the Spanish for brother and sister.
Hermano. Hermana.
Listen again to the Spanish for brother.
Hermano. 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 Hermano.
Please repeat.
Hermano.
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Mi hermano mayor es más alto que yo. Mi hermano mayor es más alto que yo.
My older brother is taller than me.
Mi hermano mayor es más alto que yo.
Now, listen to the Spanish for sister.
Hermana. 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 Hermana.
Please repeat.
Hermana.
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Mi hermana menor es linda. Mi hermana menor es linda.
My younger sister is cute.
Mi hermana menor es linda.
Now, listen to the Spanish for son and daughter.
Hijo. Hija.
Listen again to the Spanish for son.
Hijo. 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 Hijo.
Please repeat.
Hijo.
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Yo tengo un hijo. Yo tengo un hijo.
I have a son.
Yo tengo un hijo.
Now, listen to the Spanish for daughter.
Hija. 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 Hija.
Please repeat.
Hija.
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Mi hija ha crecido. Mi hija ha crecido.
My daughter has grown up.
Mi hija ha crecido.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say father?
Padre.
Do you remember how to say mother?
Madre.
Do you remember how to say brother?
Hermano.
Do you remember how to say sister?
Hermana.
Do you remember how to say son?
Hijo.
Do you remember how to say daughter?
Hija.
Let's move on with 4 more family members. Listen to the Spanish for wife and husband.
Esposa. Esposo.
Listen again to the Spanish for wife.
Esposa. 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 Esposa.
Please repeat.
Esposa.
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Mi esposa es mayor que yo. Mi esposa es mayor que yo.
My wife is older than me.
Mi esposa es mayor que yo.
Now, listen to the Spanish for husband.
Esposo. 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 Esposo.
Please repeat.
esposo,
Now let's hear an example sentence.
mi esposo está viajando. Mi esposo está viajando.
My husband is traveling.
Mi esposo está viajando.
Listen to the Spanish for parents and family.
Padres, familia.
Listen again to the Spanish for parents.
Padres. 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 Padres.
Please repeat.
Padres.
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Sus padres están divorciados. Sus padres están divorciados.
Her parents are divorced.
Sus padres están divorciados.
Now, listen to the Spanish for family.
Familia. 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 Familia.
Please repeat.
Familia.
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Amo a mi esposa y a mi familia. Amo a mi esposa y a mi familia.
I love my wife and family.
Amo a mi esposa y a mi familia.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say wife?
Esposa.
Do you remember how to say husband?
Esposo.
Do you remember how to say parents?
Padres.
Do you remember how to say family?
Familia.
Okay, are you ready to be quizzed on the words and phrases you just learned? We'll say the English, and you say the Spanish. Are you ready? Father.
Padre.
This is my father.
Este es mi padre.
Mother.
Madre.
My father and my mother.
Mi padre y mi madre.
Brother.
Hermano.
My older brother is taller than me.
Mi hermano mayor es más alto que yo.
Sister.
Hermana.
My younger sister is cute.
Mi hermana menor es linda.
Son.
Hijo.
I have a son.
Yo tengo un hijo.
Daughter.
Hija.
My daughter is grown up.
Mi hija ha crecido.
Wife.
Esposa.
My wife is older than me.
Mi esposa es mayor que yo.
Husband.
Esposo.
My husband is traveling.
Mi esposo está viajando.
Parents.
Padres.
Her parents are divorced.
Sus padres están divorciados.
Family.
Familia.
I love my wife and family.
Amo a mi esposa y a mi familia.
There you have it. You have mastered family members in Spanish.